think I'm awake.
Yo guys, check this. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. What a thing to wake up to, guys. Oh, birds are chirping. This one is for sure. So beautiful, man. I like a wee woo. Okay guys, today, Driven Vancouver, let's get it. We're gonna meet up with the rest of the Lost Royalty gang and friends at a McDonald's, grab some breakfast, possibly, and then we're gonna head down to the Hard Rock Casino, which is the venue that the event is gonna be happening at. First show, automotive car show to happen in the city in the past 3 years since the pandemic. Yeah, should be good. See you guys there.
He does look like CJ McCollum.
What's up, Jeff? Long time, homie. Yeah, how are you, dude?
Oh, I'm gonna be meeting up with
Sammy, how
Joe
are
and Yo at the Tim Hortons. What's up?
How are you, brother? Damn, look at the cruise. There's the other Supra. Okay, that's cool. These guys have a theme going. Blue chrome. That's the same blue chrome we used on Shane's car. Car's looking good, man. Good. God damn. You guys remember this thing? All right, we here, just getting set up. Got the Lost Royalty banners, one green one for the FRS. It's almost like a chameleon, like a chrome green. Yeah, we got a boom box, Bluetooth. I'm a Connect.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to work now.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'll be back at 1.
Yo, thanks for helping, man.
And then
Appreciate.
Simon's gonna bring the tables, okay?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need? Just give me a text.
Okay, have a good one, Simon. Thank you. Papa Derps, making our job easy. All right, man.
It's nice when somebody else takes control.
I know. Well, he's definitely a leader type, manager type.
Yeah. The bass tested play some football.
Yeah. I mean, this is okay. Playing some Corday.
You can be who you want to be, but I can be myself forever. No pretending, no faking me, cause getting out this shell is real.
You guys may recognize this car. And actually, if you've been following Jack, you'll know that he was actually taking part in the Gold Rush rally. So it's crazy to see this thing on this side of the border. Look at this Hayabusa, it's so insane. So they got the swing arm extension, but then they put a subwoofer in there. Okay, come on. Oh no! Some of the lettering! Oh shit. Even going to know. Oh! Whatever. That's like the perfect green. Actually, I wish that was a wrap. Screwed that one up. I don't think I'm gonna do the one on my Supra. I don't trust myself right now. I have yet to eat breakfast, so this is how we doing it.
That isn't butter.
Come on, bro. I don't want to eat more.
Let's go. Eat it. Let's go. Bro, you need a bev for that.
Don't even try.
Don't. Yo, chase him with that quick. Don't shoot.
Let's go for a walk. Just saw this on this Mustang. Oh, God damn. That is wide as, okay. Guys, this is the 326 power wide body kit for the FRS BRZ chassis. That is, what? Like, I mean, it's super Gundam looking, but god damn, that is thick. And it's called Gundam 86. Look at this. I mean, the wheels are practically outside the stock body.
We're taking over Birdy's vlog.
Is it okay?
Well, we're taking over Birdy's vlog.
He's over there.
Because I found your camera. So, hello from us Vancouver people.
Hi, your booth is amazing.
Yeah.
right, wheel hack. Like nothing even happens. I will eventually get them professionally refinished, don't worry. Van culture, boys. This whole lineup is so sick. This looks like it was punched in. Like, have you ever seen a carbon hood like this? Basically just goes down. That is actually pretty insane. Like all of these. Also, Japanese Honda Odyssey. Also known as the Honda Absolute. Contemplating on making one of these our merch booth hauler, basically, a support vehicle. Still super spacious. Van has Smash Bros in the back. Damn. Bam, yo. CRX, why not? We just found the owner of this pretty sick CRX, man.
Thank you.
Yo, a selfie, of course, man. Do it. Yeah, man. You guys keep it up, man. I'm looking to pick up a Honda pretty soon.
Yeah, ready
I want to go back. Either or, man. These are just going up in value too. So. Oh, that's yours.
That is mine as well, yeah.
Yo, you keep it up, man.
Keep it
Those
up,
are
man.
awesome
Nice
bills,
meeting
bro.
you,
Yeah, you too. Yeah, ingat, okay?
Ingat.
These guys make me want one so bad. Like, okay, first off, finding a really clean hatchback Civic is just close to impossible in Calgary, and this is like immaculate. Snoop. Snoop Sports. What's up, man? You guys may know this guy. I came bearing gifts.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, this is for you, homie.
No way.
Yeah.
Go.
Make your trip to Canada a little more memorable.
Yeah,
For sure,
well, what's
man.
awesome is like we got like plenty of room. When
Yeah.
we were on the Gold Rush rally,
I
we
know,
had, like,
yeah.
we had no room. So if you gave me this, I would have been like, well, what am I? I would have been like, oh shit.
Sure, that's true.
But-
Yeah, remember, guys, this guy just got off the Gold Rush. You're done, right?
Yes.
So
That's
yeah,
dope.
hopefully you're enjoying your time. Buddy, you're a good doggy.
Loving the attention.
Huge. Thanks for coming. Ralph, appreciate you guys. All loaded up. Show is over, as you can see. It's already pretty empty. Plan for the night. Enjoy Vancouver for what it is. Probably hit up the night market because we have nothing like this in Calgary. So yeah, let's have fun. Apparently massage your back. CJ, what up, homie? Hello. Living life, yes sir, yes sir.
These sport fucking hatches, sport bikes.
Yeah.
Dude.
We will see you in Seattle. Drive safe, okay?
See you, man.
Yeah, take care.
See ya.
Peace. Bluetooth device is ready to pair. As soon as the show ends, oh my god. They ripped out that whole thing. Unfortunately, these stupid ass speed bumps, the ones that they drill into the ground, this is the same one that ripped off my Street Hunter kit. Ripped off my rear bumper. Basically broke all of the clips holding this side in. Like 60% of this whole trip is winging it, and yeah, this was not part of the plan. Temporary solution is just use wrap.
Okay, I got the screws.
And that's
Okay.
because you're gonna be driving.
Again, like my main concern is literally
Oh no.
what we're gonna do.
Oh no, oh no.
Just double layer, yeah.
Sick rad, bros! Here at night market, main reason why we're here is for the food, so let's go eat. We were just saying, the thing about places like this is don't always go for your first choice. Do one loop around, get an idea, and then make your decision.
Hey yo, Virgin Gang. Yes sir.
You got me. Probably gonna try this. Yeah.
Also getting food. Oh, I got a corn dog. Tempura corn dog with cheese.
Guys, we done. We had to rent a hotel for the night. Actually, we lucked out because after 30 minutes of calling around, like every single hotel within the vicinity, there were no available rooms at all. Like thousands of rooms in Vancouver, not one room was available. See, what the concierge was telling us was that multiple cruise ships were in town and it was pretty much tourist weekend, times 4. And then Jaffe called this Holiday Inn down the road and they said that a reserved room that they were waiting on for like 5 to 6 hours, I guess just didn't show up or was canceled, so we lucked out and we were able to snatch it. And that is why we're here, just for the night, until we go to the Hooker Motel tomorrow.
I can't wait.
What the locals tell me though is it's also used as a movie set sometimes, so you'll see why. And yeah, it's quaint. That's all I'll say.
I love that stuff.
You're trying, man. Oh shit. I'll land it. Ah, I tried. Okay, I'm done. Time to recharge my shit. Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. No one set your alarms, please, okay? We rest easy. Checkout's actually an hour.
4:45.
Huh? Yo, don't even, bros. Drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.